In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Capcut logo using your iPhone. If you're looking to create clean, professional looking videos without any branding at the end, you're in the right place. This process is quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step. First, let's open your project in the Capcut app on your iPhone. You'll start on the home screen of the app, which displays all your existing projects. Tap on the project that you're working on to ensure it opens up on the editing timeline. If you're new to Capcut, keep in mind that the home screen is where you can access all your saved projects and begin editing effortlessly. Once you have your project open, you'll need to scroll to the end of the timeline. This part of the process is important because the Capcut logo is typically embedded at the very end of your video. Using your finger, simply drag the timeline to the right until you reach the final frame of your video. Now you should see the Capcut ending clip with their logo at the very end of your timeline. It's usually a short clip that displays the brand logo over a black screen. This is what we're going to remove to ensure your video looks customized and professional. To remove this clip, tap on it. When you do so, you'll notice it's highlighted or outlined, indicating that it's selected. At this point, you should see some editing options appear on your screen. Among these options, look for the delete button. Tap on this button and just like that, the ending clip featuring the Capcut logo will be removed from your video. It's a really simple action, but it makes a big difference in the overall appearance of your project. After you've deleted the logo clip, we're almost done. The final step is to save your video without that unwelcome ending. Locate the export button, which is represented by an upward pointing arrow, tap on it and choose your export settings based on the quality and format you desire. Then proceed to save the video. This will ensure that your freshly edited video, now free of the Capcut branding, is saved to your camera roll, ready to share or post how you see fit. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the Capcut logo from your video using your iPhone. This was a quick and easy process, yet it adds a touch of professionalism to your work. Whether you're sharing with friends or posting online, your video will now appear as a seamless creation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment or a question if you need any further assistance. Happy editing!